If you haven't heard by now, YouTube has done an update on its requirements for becoming monetized on YouTube, and it has gone down by a good margin. So let me go ahead and talk about that just in case you didn't hear about it from anybody else yet. First off and foremost, instead of having 1,000 subscribers, all you need is 500 subscribers. The next thing you'll need is at least 3 videos uploaded within the last 90 days. And then as far as watch time is concerned, instead of needing 4,000 hours of watch time, you only need 3,000 hours of watch time. Oh, and in case you are somebody that doing YouTube shorts, you'll need at least 3 million views on YouTube shorts instead of the 10 million views. With that being said, it's a very significant decrease, which is something I'm assuming everybody can appreciate. But there is a bit of a caveat to that, which is that YouTube has now been sectioned off into 2 different sections. So once you become monetized with these lower requirements, you'll have access to fan funding. Now, what is fan funding? It's things like super chat, super thanks, stickers, memberships, and other things like that. But if you are looking to get ad revenue sharing, then you still have to meet the old requirements of 1,000 hours of watch time. 1,000 hours of watch time. You wish. 1,000 hours. 1,000 hours. I keep saying 1,000 hours. What's wrong with me? 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. In case you are somebody that's like, I don't really see that being a benefit for me because I'm just looking for ad revenue sharing, I would say at the very least it should be a benefit for you because you can get monetized faster. And once you actually hit the threshold that you need to for ad revenue sharing, you can just go ahead and automatically start doing ad revenue sharing instead of waiting to get approved to be in the partnership. So if nothing else, that is worth something. And you can always, get some fan funding started earlier, see if that's a route that you want to, experiment with. Also with fan funding, you can also sell your clothes and merchandise on YouTube faster as well. So that's another part of the first milestone that you hit when you get monetized. Memberships, donations, selling your merchandise. Then 4,000 hours watch time, 1,000 subscribers, you can do ad revenue sharing. So let me know what you think about this update. Is it worth your while? Have you, with this new update, automatically been able to go ahead and get monetized? Let me know that in the comment section as well. And what I'll say about it is I do like it for people, and hopefully someday they'll just go ahead and have everything be at 500 subscribers and 3,000 hours of watch time. But we'll see. Let's go ahead and end this here. I'm Avery. This is about to say You Tutorials. This is YT Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.